mathematical problem related to RMS velocity. Let us see the problem. What is the RMS velocity of carbon dioxide gas molecules at 21 degrees Celsius temperature and 720 millimeter mercury pressure? That is, RMS velocity of carbon dioxide gas has to be calculated at 21 degrees Celsius temperature and 720 millimeter mercury pressure. The matter can be depicted in this way. Suppose here carbon dioxide gas. Here pressure is 720 millimeter mercury, though in this case no effect of the pressure here, and temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Now we have to calculate RMS velocity of this gas. RMS velocity is symbolized by lowercase c. Let us write the equation of RMS velocity. We know RMS velocity c is equal to root over of 3RT by m. Here no unit is mentioned. There are 4 values of R. Let us consider value of R from SI unit, System International. Here R is equal to 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Here joule is equal to Newton meter. Newton is equal to kg meter per second square into meter. That means joule is equal to kg meter square per second square. So here we can write 8.314 joule is equal to, we can write kg meter square per second square per mole per Kelvin. Then Kelvin temperature T is equal to 21.273 Kelvin, that is 294 Kelvin. Then molar mass M for carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram per mole. But here this gram is to be converted to kilogram, that is kg. So here we can write 44 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. Now putting the values in this equation, we can write RMS velocity c is equal to root over of 3 into r, that means 8.314 kg meter square per second square per mole per Kelvin into 294 Kelvin divided by m, 44 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. This kg will cut this kg, then per mole, then here per Kelvin and Kelvin. Now from these values we get 16.666 into 10 to the power 4 meter square per second square. Meter square per second square. We get this value from calculator. Then from this we can write 408.24 meter per second. That is, from this root over of this we can write 408.24 meter per second. That is, RMS velocity of carbon dioxide gas is this meter per second at 21 degrees Celsius temperature and 720 millimeter mercury pressure. This is all about RMS velocity of carbon dioxide gas. No more today. Thank you very much.